Hi and welcome back. I have some albums today. I have all 8 versions of the Do It Accordion albums from Stray Kids. So I'm gonna unbox them today and see what my pulls are. So hang on, I'll open it up. I bought this from iMusic in Denmark. It's a really good K-pop store that I bought a lot of stuff from before. Alright, here we have them all. I don't collect these, so I am gonna sell every one except for, I'll probably keep Changbin and of course Lino and Sungmin. Yeah, and then I'm gonna sell the rest, including the cards. Let's see here. There we go, right? Oh, there we go. Wow, that was hard. But yeah, let's open them in order. Let's start with Chan. Chan, who is like, I don't know what happened with him this year, because he's just killing it. Like, I mean, he's always been amazing, but I swear something happened to him this year. At least, I mean, that's like my view of him. He's just so freaking amazing. So I sometimes joke with my friend who collects Chan that maybe I should collect him too. I won't, but yeah. Just so we compete about the cards. Because his cards, Chan's cards, yeah, I mean, no one beats him in the card game. Pun intended. But this is his accordion. Very pretty. Let's see then, what does he hide? I am hoping to get Sungmin and Lino cards, but I have already bought them, so it's fine if I don't. I would just prefer to pull them, and then I can sell the ones I get later. Because this, I wasn't gonna buy these. I wasn't gonna buy this, but I wanted this full set of pubs, so I bought all of them and figured I can sell the cards and do that. And it's fun to unbox, so. Oh. See what I mean about Chan? Who looks like that? Like, what? He just knows how to do pose as well. Like, his selfies are, look! Kill it. Killer, he's a killer. Yeah, but I think the dark concept suits him better than the pink one. Although this looks, I like this pose as well. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah. Maybe I'll cut this out from one of my accordions so I can have it somewhere. This, like a postcard. Alright. I'm sure you've seen all of this like 10 million times now. Anyone who watches these Clodo videos have at least. But there we go. I kind of saw that, but not at the same time. Alright, I was empty now. This is his CD. If I remember it right, the CDs are like from bright pink to all the way down to black. So this is his CD. Very pretty. Back. I don't want to touch them too much. And this is the cards are not upside down. There we go. This is the lyric sheet. I really like how this looks, so I might use one of these for something, or to put one in my large inclusion binder, or use it for like a collage or something, but not this one. I'm saving this in the album. All right, back. Pixie came in. I had to bribe him with some treats. You might even hear him munching them next to me here. All right, the mini photo, ID photo is, yay, Lino! Good start. Did I ruin it now? Maybe this is the only Lino card I will get. The stickers, I'm not going to open them, you can see. But I do know that there's at least one different, I think there's several different stickers. I don't really care about stickers too much, to be honest. Putting that back. Okay, let's see here then. Card number 1. Han! Yay! And card number 2. Well, you know that friend I talked about that collects Chan? She said she would sell a kidney for this card. I told her I'd sell it for half a kidney, so I guess I would get half a kidney now. Oh, that's funny though. Oh, well, I am very glad for her because I know she wanted that card. Okay, let's go to Lino's. Lino. I know that a lot of people, it's different. Like I always call him Lino, but I think those that follow them from earlier, they tend to call him Mino. But I don't know, it's just Lino for me. I mean, I also think it's like, since that is his stage name and we're like, they're my idol, he's my idol. Feels right to say Lino in a sense. I don't know, it's just how I think. I don't know if I even think about it that much. I just call him Lino from the start and then it's stuck. Oops, almost broke that. Right. Oh, yeah, this concept. Look at how pretty it is. To be honest, I think Lino's concept, I don't know, I don't think he came out to his best with this pink concept. The dark one though is nice. Alright, let's see what we have. We have, I can see that this one is not upside down, I'll do like that. I'm not gonna bother with the stickers and the CDs, everyone, sorry about that, but yeah. They all look the same, it's just different colors. Alright, here we go. One more card somewhere. Christ. Alright. INs. ID photo. And this card is Felix. Hooray. These are the stickers. I'm gonna keep them outside because I am keeping the stickers for the albums that I keep. Yes, I am, Pixie. All right, maybe this is supposed, maybe they're not supposed to have pubs. Maybe the first one was the fluke. All right, Changbin, look. Oh, it looks so good. He looks so good in suits. I don't know what it is, but he's like got a real suit fit kind of style. And this too, leather jacket. Changbin and leather jackets, they just belong together. It's just his thing. Yeah, yes, he totally is. All right, let's see then. Am I gonna get just one card here as well? Then maybe the first one was actually the fluke, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm starting to think so. Because this one only has one card as well. All right, fair enough then. Another IN. And these are the stickers. These are the same as, no, not quite. This one got that bunny. Yeah, it's different. Right, who do we get for this concept? Changbin! Oh, awesome. I am keeping the Changbin cards as well. I kind of half collect him. Alright, and then we have Hyunjin. I can never say his name right. I don't know why it's so hard for me to say that name, but there's something with it. Oh, hey. Yeah, look at this guy. Well, no wonder he's a model for all the big brands. Yeah. Such a talented guy this guy is. It was so sad when he was talking about how he had like issues with singing. What the hell? This one has the pub. I don't know what to think anymore. Oh wow. Alright, we got Han. Yay. And these stickers, and then we have the pub. We have Hyunjin. And we have Hyunjin. Alright, 4 for 4 for these at least. That's pretty cool. Oh, why are these so hard to open? Come on, there we go. Han. Yeah, when he's always so freaking cool. Han. He's like the dorkiest dork to ever dork, and he's the coolest ever. Look at this guy. He's like slay, and then he's like baby girl. Why is this so weird? This looks like a misprint. No? Now it's probably meant to be like that. I love it when it does that pose. So cute. Yeah, my other stay bestie collects Han. I don't know if she probably already has these cards though. I bought them already, so yeah, his CD. Putting those away. And I spoiled the cards already, but sadly we have Changbin in, sadly, but I already have him. And again, we only get 2 cards. We do not get the pub. So yeah, there's something is definitely up with this weirdness. But who did we get here? We got Seungmin. I am glad for that because I am keeping these. But I'm not doing too well with my pulls today. For my own sake anyway. Don't know what I'm doing here. There we go. Right, 3 more to go. Felix. Love this look on him. Amazing. But the pink one. Yeah. Look at this diva. Sorry about the noise. My cat has opinions about my collecting again. Yeah. Let's see what we have. I can see some cards there. Oh, this time we get 2. I spoiled myself again, but I mean, whatever. Stickers, I put those back as well. Pub. Changbin, keeping that one. Hyunjin, again, not keeping that one. I am keeping one of those though. So. And we have Lino again. All right. Oh, Seungmin. He grew up well, didn't he? But he's still a puppy. like a Doberman puppy. Yay. All right, another iron. And we only have one card again, looks like. Yeah, this is not looking good for them cards. I'm gonna have to sort these stickers later, I think. See, Changmin, I do like you, but you don't have to come for me like that much. You can step back now, it's okay. I see you. I see you, I promise. It's okay now. Look at him. So adorable. Let's see what we have here. We have Changbin's ID. Didn't have that already, right? No, I am keeping that too. And the CD, the stickers. Oh, we have 2 cards here. So basically, they sent me half the pubs. So weird. Such a weird take. And iron. And yes, finally. All right, I have the full Changbin set. I have 2 Linos and 1 Seungmin. All right, let me put it out here so you can see. We still have the pops as well. So let's see what we have. Yay, Seungmin. I love this. I love this music plant set so much. Look, Felix. Lino. Wow. Iron. Changmin. So pink. And yes, they did send me the full set. Very glad for that. No, Pixie, don't come here, please. Alright, that was it. So, thank you everyone for watching, and I'll be back soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.